In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the solution to the issue of TikTok website links not functioning. Let's begin the tutorial. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open the App Store on your device and search for TikTok. Verify that the TikTok app is updated to its latest version to ensure optimal functionality. If an update is available, it will be indicated as Update instead of Open. Launch the TikTok application on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. Tap on the Free Up Space option. Select the Cache option and tap on the Clear button. Confirm the action by tapping on Clear again in the pop-up window. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue of TikTok website links not working.